Welcome back. Today we have another unboxing video for you. This time it is a rough country adjustable track bar. If some of y'all have watched the Rubicon Express installation video, you noticed we had a problem. We found out for about a week of driving it. The track bar drop mount is getting into one of the rear shocks. So to alleviate that problem, we're taking out the drop bracket and going to an adjustable track bar. So we've got a track bar and a new shock for the corner, and we're going to take them out and show them to you. Alright, first things first, the shock. This is hardware. Sticker, crossbar, fittings, and the boot. There's all that. Get the track bar out, the meat and potatoes of this video. Main piece, tie rod and sleeve, and the two clamps to lock the adjuster. Everything's here, and pretty much as far as I can tell, everything's like it's supposed to be. I'm happy with it. Parts and pieces here, nothing scratched up, bent or dented. My only complaint about any of it, the track bar did not come with instructions. Come with a QR code to get digital instructions. I much prefer paper instructions, that way I'm going to refer to it a lot easier to install. But it is what it is.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.